Hello, baseball fans, and welcome. Some Double-A baseball coming at you. It's the New Hampshire Fisher Cats and the Somerset Patriots. First pitch coming your way next. Just about set to go. And on the mound today, number 15. What do we have on him?
A really good outing for him last time. Scattered 2 runs, was attacking hitters, getting ahead in the count. Great performance. We'll see if he can do it again in this one.
On the ground, right side. Clement over to first. 1 up, 1 down.
Batting second, the right fielder, Brandon.
So here's Brown at the plate. 0 for 1 so far. And it's fouled away.
With 2 strikes, may see some movement over there at first base, try to stay out of a double play here.
0-2 now. Fouled off the plate. They'll do it again. Bird gets his lead at first with nobody out. Fights that one away, and the count remains 0-2.
Your pitch, drive it deep, huh? Here you go.
Kicks and deals. Lined, and that's a base hit. Lead runner holds up. They're at first and second with nobody out.
Good 2-strike hitting right there, Boog. A bit of a lost start for some, so that was nicely done to beat the odds. Nice line drive to the pull side right there, but he didn't spin off of it. That's the key. You still have to extend through the baseball in order to hit a line drive like that.
First and second, no outs. Brandon Lockridge now at the plate. 0 for 1 with a fly out. No outs, runners at first and second. On the ground to the left. There's one, but no throw to first as he'll hold on to it. Back to the top of the lineup. Number 7 digs in now. And here it comes. On the ground to third. Whips it across. They limit the damage here. 2 runs in the inning, but they strand 3. On now to the bottom of the 4th. The Fisher. So up next, Will Robertson. 1 down, base is empty. This one popped up.
You go, your ball.
Brown snags it for the second out.
He's controlling things out there on the mound, not messing around at all. He's been in attack mode since the very start.
So the batting order turns over, and now it's switch hitting third baseman Catfish Brown. On the ground right side, Clement sends it to first. That's the 3rd out. On to the bottom of the 8th. Now at the plate, Catfish Brown. And the pitch. Swing and a base hit.
Well, clearly he was ready to hit right there. That pretty much split the zone down the middle, and those are the ones where you got to make them pay.
Man at first. And now here is Brandon Lockridge. Carter picks to first. Brown back on a dive. Brown gets his lead at first. Nobody out. Another throw over. Yeah, they're keeping him close. This one lifted in the air, left field. Hauls it in, and there's one away.
the left fielder, number 24, Willie.
Man at first with one gone. And now it's going to be Willie Calhoun. And a pitch. Sharp grounder. That's through for a base hit. Quick throw back in. Lead runner holds at second with one gone.
Oh, you never like to cut it that close, but the hitting streak will live on at least another day.
Little bit of a tense moment, Singy. Looked like that might be the end of it.
I don't know. The way he's been going, his confidence must be sky high. So even if it takes until his last at bat, you get that sense that a hit's
to second. That's one out there, but that's all they'll get.
Now batting, first baseman, TJ.
And now number 7.
These fans, they are ready to cheer about something.
And he walked him.
Well, he's starting to look a little gassed to me, and we'll see if they go to the bullpen in this spot or not.
Everson Pereira getting ready to hit.
He's hitting for that pop. Came out of the gates really strong.
Hey, have a rip, kid. Here you go.
Here's a 1-2. Tapped softly on the ground. He takes it himself to the bag, and that'll do it. So they strand 3 and leave him. So now here's the DH, Will Robertson. Liner, base hit. Throw back in quickly. First and second now with nobody out.
Well, that certainly feels good when you can win the at bat after being down in the count, up against it with 2 strikes right there. You got that front.
Here's the third baseman, Catfish Brown.
Catfish.
Right back to the mound. Could be an easy 2. There's one. And that's a double play to end it.
A little sigh of relief for the pitcher there, ending the ball game with a nice double play. You always love when you can get 2 for 1, especially when it wraps up the ball game. Nice win for these guys today.
6-0 is how this one ends. For Chris Singleton and our entire crew, I'm John Shambi saying so long.
The final line score for our ball game.
And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. Double-A baseball on the show, coming your way. It's the New Hampshire Fisher Cats and the Somerset Patriots. First pitch coming at you. All right, just about ready for baseball. And on the mound now, Matt Sauer.
Really labored his last time out. 4+ innings, wasn't able to qualify for the win, but fortunately got a no decision and didn't take a loss. We'll see if he can get in the W column today.
Catfish Brown stands in now and watches strike 1. And fouled off.
Hey, right here one time.
0-2 now. And that's downstairs and outside.
This hitter's been seeing good velocity in the at-bat. It's kind of set up for that changeup. He hasn't seen it yet. Looks just like a fastball out of the hand.
Hit on the ground to the right side. Dives and he can't hang on. And he beats it. He's safe.
Good job of just putting the ball in play with 2 strikes. I'm amazed at his ability to pull his hands inside and actually square that baseball up. That pitch was off the plate. So tough to get the barrel to anything in there.
And stepping in is the speedy Brandon Lockridge. He was hitless in 4 at-bats yesterday. Nobody out. Runner at first. Bounce to the right side. To second for 1. Throw to first, but he beat it. And welcome back. Set for the bottom of the 3rd. So here's Brown at the plate.
Third baseman, Catfish.
Here, the right-hander back to work. Swing and he breaks his bat. That's a foul ball. Brown measures 6 feet 2 inches, 200 pounds, and he's been on a good run at the plate, hitting over .325 in his last 10 games. Makes the catch, one down.
The right fielder, number 10, Brandon.
Back here at the ballpark, here's the left fielder, number 26.
Number 26.
To third, and that chance handled. Zips it to first. Now one gone in the top of the 6th.
The designated hitter, Will Robinson.
Welcome back. Well, we go bottom 6, and here is Catfish Brown.
Baseman.
On the mound, he had a little trouble back in the first, but it's been a different story the rest of the way. Really settled into this outing nicely.
Just a weak fly ball this time. No trouble here. Puts it away for the out. And a quick out, number 1.
That's a tough play for the infielder, ranging back into the outfield.
One gone, runner at first. And here's the catcher, Zach Britton, who's 0 for 2 with a pair of strikeouts. Tying run at the plate. Now a pop-up on the infield. 2 away.
Got the pitch that he wanted, just a little bit quick. Front shoulder open, backside collapsed a little bit.
So 2 down. Now the third baseman, Miguel Giraldo. That's to third. Gets it to first. And that is that. 3 up, 3 down for him there. Home half of inning number 8 straight ahead. The Patriots out front 3-0. Back now, new pitcher on the mound as we roll into the bottom of the 8th. Fitz Stadler.
Just trying to keep this one close here, and this is where a bullpen can give their guys a chance to fight back into the game.
Here comes a pitch. On a line out towards center. Baroa makes the grab. And there's one away.
Number 10, Brandon.
Catfish Brown will hit next.
13, Catfish Brown.
Now a screamer into the outfield. Pulls it in on the run. Runner tagging for third, but just bluffing there. Hangs on at second with 2 away now.
Number 10, Brandon.
A 5-3 final score in this one. For Chris Singleton and our entire crew here at MLB The Show, thanks for stopping by. I'm John Shambi. Talk to you soon. Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining us. Minor League Baseball from the AA level coming up. It's the New Hampshire Fisher Cats and the Somerset Patriots. And we'll be back with the first pitch right after this. All right, just about set to go. And towing the slab in this one, Randy Vasquez. What should we keep an eye on here?
Well, because he doesn't have plus stuff, it's going to be critical that his skipper keeps a close eye on him. Second time, third time through the order, we see the OPS jump dramatically.
Catfish Brown stands in here. Tried to hold back his swing there, but went around. That one the other way. And there's one down.
Batting fifth, the third baseman.
One away, runners at first and third. So here's Brown at the plate. He's 0 for 1.
Come on, Biggin.
Line drive. Hauls it in. And there's 2 away. Digging in, Catfish Brown.
It's been such a good hitter with runners in scoring position. Some guys just take it to another level. For him right now at the plate, it's like everyone else is in slow motion and he's in full speed.
And he swings and misses at the initial offering.
As a pitcher, you know the runner on second is ready to push things with his speed. A base hit's probably going to be a big run, so you really have to execute on the mound.
Line drive. Tosses to first. 2 out.
Now batting, third baseman.
No outs. Runner at first. And next will be the cleanup hitter, Catfish Brown. Right side. And there's a base hit. Throw holds him at second, but the go-ahead run now in scoring position, and still nobody out.
Always feels amazing getting a job done when the team needs you to come through. It's just bigger than your own individual stats. Didn't make quality contact on the ground ball to the pull side, but sometimes it's just a matter of finding the hole in the defense. Now a good opportunity to potentially jump ahead in this game here in the later innings.
0-1 to the right side, and it gets by him. The throw in, but it's offline. He will score. They lead it now. It's 7-6.
Just one of those seeing eye base hits through the infield. He just kind of rolled over on it a little bit, but sometimes those can find a hole and get you a knock.
First and second, no outs. Now here is Spencer Henson. And the right-hander deals. Popped up. McCoy makes the catch for the out. 1 away.
The batter, number 3.
Jamie Westbrook, the next to hit. 1 for 3. 1 out. Runners at first and second.
Let's go, kid. One time right here.
Ground ball left side, could be 2. Fires to second for 1, and that's 2.
Well, we can never overstate it. Pitcher's best friend right there. Double play, gets out of the jam, saves some pitch.
Next is the DH, a switch hitter, Catfish Brown.
Catfish. Brown.
Let it fly now.
Out towards right center field. Baroa under it. And that's the inning.
Well, we saw both teams come ready to swing it in this one, and they found a lot of success. Couple of touchdowns up on the board today. Pretty amazing, and it turned out to be a close one, considering all the runs put up. Really wild.
And 9-7. Welcome to Crystal Falls Stadium. Some AA baseball coming at you. It's the New Hampshire Fisher Cats and the Somerset Patriots. First pitch coming your way next. So almost ready to get underway, and on the mound today, Catfish Brown. Going to be hard to top his last start, Singy.
He was outstanding. Complete game shutout. He got some great support from his defense. He's got the swing and miss stuff. Everything working for him. We'll see if he's got it today.
Stuart Baroa leading things off and takes a strike. And it's 1-1.
Second pitch of the game, it was a good one, but doesn't get the strike call. We'll see how this umpire zone shapes up today.
The 1-2. And that one lifted in the air center field.
I got it.
Dunham makes the play, and there's 1 away. Now the left fielder, number 26. Foul back our way, and that's out of play. 2013 in the playoffs, you caught one as the Red Sox played the Rays in the division series.
I sacrificed a bracelet. It was my wrist and my hand.
Up the middle. Gathers and throws to first. Quick start to this afternoon's action. 2 gone.
No, he didn't recognize changeup earlier enough. Got out in front a little bit, rolled over on it, and beat it into the ground.
Will Robertson in the box with 2 gone and takes a look at a called strike.
Hey, we got 2.
Left-hand hitter waits. Gets a piece, and it stays 0-2. Next pitch is popped up.
Yeah, you got it.
Makes the grab, and that's the inning. End of a half inning of play. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1. No score. Top of the second, and here is Luis de los Santos.
Luis de los Santos.
The pitch. Center field. Westbrook makes his way towards it. He's got it, and there's 1 down.
That's a really nice play, ranging back into the outfield for that catch. We all know those can be a little tricky, especially if the wind's swirling around out there.
Miguel Iraldo batting with 1 down takes a strike. Swing and a miss. 0-2 now.
Well, you got the hitter already chasing that nasty slider. If you're on the mound, you just want to expand the zone right now. Get a swing and miss and get through this at bat.
Righty delivers. Goes down looking.
No, just couldn't pull the trigger on the fastball right there, and I don't think he was taking it, thinking it might be a called ball or anything. I just think he was flat out frozen. Did not expect that location, in my opinion.
Yeah, the batter now, Mason McCoy. First pitch just misses.
1 ball, no strike.
There's a strike.
1-1.
Next pitch misses. 2-1. That one ripped. That's back and out of here. A solo shot, and they're on the scoreboard. It's 2-1.
Knew what pitch he wanted to hit. Spent on some other pitches in this at bat. Was very patient, and it paid off.
Next to hit, Zach Britton. First pitch is in the dirt.
Here you go, fellas. Let's go.
That one fouled off. Ball to strike. A little roller up along first. And he grabs it foul. Fouls it off, still 1-2.
2 down, 2 down.
Left-hand batter waits. Swing and a miss for the strikeout. Pulled the string on the changeup, but they draw within 1 thanks to the solo homer. Now to the bottom of the top half of the 3rd inning, and here's the first baseman, Jamie Ritchie. The wind of the pitch. There's a strike. Ritchie, 29 years old, and he's usually a catcher, but today he's starting at first. High fly ball out into left center field. Cordero brings it in. 1 down.
Oh, this will give his legs a break a little bit. Instead of being squatted down the entire game, he can be upright and just kind of stay close to first base over there.
Desan Brown in the box now. No balls and a strike. The 0-2. Base hit center field.
Back against the wall with 2 strikes, but found a way. He got that front foot down, and pitch recognition was on point. Pretty impressive for an 0-2 count.
On a line, base hit. They fired in quickly, so it's first and second with only 1 away.
Back-to-back singles. Anytime you rip a line drive the other way, you feel really good about what you did at the plate. You trusted your hands, you let the ball travel, and you took the barrel straight to it. That's great work right there.
2 on, 1 out. And a pop-up, right side, foul territory. Pulls it down, and there's 2 gone.
Yeah, that was a wasted RBI opportunity, but a competitor like him, he is looking forward to making up for it in his next at-bat.
And now the DH, Will Robertson. That one's in there. 0-1.
No ball. 1 strike.
Hey, we got 2.
Swings through that.
No ball.
Man, I'm pretty impressed out there on the mound right now. I mean, these are tough spots where pitchers really got to bear.
Oh, that's a strikeout, and that'll do it for the inning.
He's in a tough spot, had to make a great pitch, did it, got the strikeout, gets out of the jam. Clearly, he's happy with those results.
As we go to the top of the 4th, now it's the second baseman, Luis De Los Santos. That's in there. That's strike 1.
0-1.
Swing and a line drive, base hit out of the center field. Man aboard on the leadoff single.
The third baseman, number 5.
So digging in, Miguel Iraldo. First pitch doesn't find the zone.
No outs.
At the belt and fires. Swing and a miss.
1-2.
Rolled to short, possible 2 ball. The toss to second, over to first, safe. Mason McCoy now at the plate. That's in there. That's strike 1.
Hey, let's roll 2. Plays it 2.
On the inside corner for a strike.
Hey, 1 down now. 1 down.
Popped up to the left into foul ground. Siegler moving under it, makes the grab for the second out.
Well, that was a pitch you got to crush. Unbelievable that he missed it right there. And I'm telling you, he is going to be frustrated with himself until his next at bat.
Britton, the batter now, as he swings and misses for strike 1.
These guys have been very aggressive early in the count, but when you're down, you might want to be a little more patient. Take some pitches, see if you can extend those at bats and get some base runners on.
Foul ball, it stays 0-2. And a good eye there.
It's a good take.
That's to third, and that's a fair ball.
Not much to this one other than just a willingness to go the other way and put the ball in play. That's a team at bat right there. Nice job of staying back and letting the ball get deep.
Let's hold him right here.
Next to hit, Jamie Ritchie. Fought off foul. And a pitch. And that one fouled off. Iraldo over at second. Britton on at first with 2 down. Got him looking. Fastball to letters, froze him for strike 3. So they strand a pair to the bottom. And welcome back. Digging in, it's the speedy outfielder, Desan Brown. Brown back to work. Late swing, fouled off.
You know, this guy's great speed is in the back of that pitcher's mind. If he can get on, it's going to give him one more thing he's got to think about.
Swings and misses. And it's 0-2. Swing and a miss. That's a strikeout. Slider got him for strike 3.
Oh, there's a small sigh of relief right there. I mean, just to keep that speed off the base paths, it's not just the pitcher, it's other guys that have to think about it. From your infielders have to think about that runner potentially stealing, but also be in position to make a play. As an outfielder, you're thinking about a base hit to the outfield. I got to get to it quickly to try to keep this guy from taking an extra base. So I think everyone just a little more relaxed that he didn't reach base.
One ball.
Swing and a miss, and the count 1-1.
Well, on the mound, very efficient, able to produce an outcome, it seems like, within the third or fourth pitch of just about every at-bat.
Puts the squeeze on it, and there's 2 away. And now, number 26.
Number 26.
That's in there, and that is strike 1.
Hey, here we go.
Swings through it, and that's a strikeout. So they go quietly there. Home half of the 5th coming up. The Patriots on top 2-1. Back here at the ballpark, now it's the DH, Will Robertson. Robertson measures 6 feet 2 inches, 25 years old, and he was drafted in the 4th round back in 2019. And first offering is fouled off. The wind of the pitch. Now 1-1.
1-1.
Definitely got the hitter conscious of the pitch inside. Really think the outer half is open.
That one to first. And he handles it himself for the out.
The batter, number 1.
Here's the second baseman, Luis de los Santos. 1 for 2. First pitch, and he just misses. Swing and a ball hit out towards left center field. Cordero makes the grab, and there's 2 gone. And the batter now, Miguel Iraldo. Here's a high chopper. Slings to first, and it's a 1-2-3 inning. Nothing doing here this half. On to the bottom of inning number 6. The Patriots with the lead. Welcome back. Here's the shortstop at the plate, Mason McCoy. There's a swing and a miss.
Well, a come and get me fastball right there. He didn't look ready for the velocity. I think it'd be a mistake to throw him anything off speed right here.
The 1-1 is fouled off.
Really going after him here. All fastballs to get ahead in the count.
The tying run at the plate. Got him. And 1 out now. A big first out here in the 7th via the punch out.
Yeah, it just does so much to change the outlook of an important inning like this. I mean, you got the leadoff hitter, so critical in setting the table when you got a tight game like this. So a strikeout really puts them on their heels.
Britton up for the 3rd time here. Watches that one miss. Pitch is in there. And it's 1-1. 1 down, base is empty.
Ball 2.
Strike 2.
2-2.
Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock. Here comes the skipper, and we're going to see a pitching change in this spot. Catfish Brown is done, and we'll be back with their first arm out of the pen after a quick break. Ryan Weber will take over here.
He's got a wicked breaking ball in his arsenal, and it's definitely one of his go-to pitches when he needs an out. Well, a real nice performance out of the pen. This guy is not the one who usually gets the final out, but extended his role a little bit and helped his team get the win. He got the save. Nice job.
5-1 is how it ends. For Chris Singleton and our entire outstanding crew here at MLB.